Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this video tutorial guys, I will be showing with you how you can use these three AI tools that you can use to create a video. So here I use Canva, Google Bard, and Capcut. So before we start guys, I would like to thank my subscribers and of course my new subscribers into this channel. I'm so happy that you subscribe into my channel and learn something from it. So thank you so much guys, and if you have any questions, don't forget to write down into the comments and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Without any further ado, let's do this. All right, so now we're going to Google and then we're going to, you can use ChatGPT, but in this tutorial I'm going to use Google Bard. Okay, so here I'm going to type Google Bard and click Bard. Okay, alright, so here on the prompt you're going to type the, what do you want in your content. Well, it depends on you. So let's say health and fitness. So if my content is all about health and fitness, I'm going to ask the Google Bard to write 10 facts about health and fitness for weight loss, diet, physical fitness, and give a prompt for each in a column. Okay, so that it's easy for us to get the prompt when it's in the column. Oh, 19 facts. I say 10 facts, but I think I make a mistake of typing instead of 0. I took 9. Okay, so let's get from this. So here is the facts and here is the prompt. So you can ask to write the prompt at the same time when you're looking for a topic or issues. So if you are good on writing prompt, then you can just ask this one to create an article or a topic about your content. But I'm not good on writing prompts, so I asked the Google Bard to write the prompt for each of this. Okay, so once you have this one, we're going to Canva. Okay, so from Canva, we're going to use the magic media in Canva to create a video for each of the prompt that Google Bard gave to us. So from here, I'm going to create a presentation using a mobile. So here is the blank template for 9:16. And here on the left side, go to the apps and find the media or the magic media. If you cannot find this one, just type here on the search bar magic media, and it will give you this one. So click the magic media, and here on the box you're going to copy and paste the prompt that Google Bard gave to us. So if you want to ask for images, we'll type here, but in this tutorial I'm going to use videos. So click the videos, and we're going back to Google Bard, and I'm going to get one of this prompt which is for weight loss. So I'm going to copy this one, the prompt, go back to Canva and paste here. All right, so as you see guys, I have 36 credits left in this app. So every time you ask a video to generate, you have to give them a 1 credit. Okay, start by swapping. So, okay, so now I already paste my prompt here. So what I'm going to do here is to generate a video. Okay, so if you are okay with this prompt, start swapping to sugary soda for sweetened. Okay, and then create a generate, or click, and then click the generate the video. Alright, so now it's finished. You see the video, it's already generated. So if you are good with this, if you're satisfied with this video, then you can drag it here. But if you want to regenerate it, just generate it again, but you have to give 1 more credits for them for each video you generated. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. So when you click this one, it will automatically pop up here, and then let's just resize this one to the size of this 9:16. Okay, so this is the first prompt that we created inside of Google Bard. So we're going back to Google Bard, and then we're going to this is the weight loss for this prompt. Okay, so if you want to add an voiceover for this, I will teach you guys how to add the voiceover for this prompt later on after we created a video. So next, let's go to the next prompt, which is experiment with quinoa, brown rice, and the whole meat. Okay, I'm going to copy this one again, and let's go back to Canva and go back and copy paste here the one that we, and then generate another video for that prompt. Alright, so now the second prompt is finished. So here is the video generated. So if you're good with this, then just add to this one. And if you want to generate it, just generate it again. Okay, so I'm gonna add this one here and just stretch this one here. Alright, so keep going guys until you finish all the prompts, but I'm gonna create just a 60 seconds because this is for short YouTube short video. So I'll just pick some other prompts here that I'm gonna create a video to make a 60 seconds video. Okay, so just keep doing this guys while you're creating a prompt inside of Canva. I just want to show you guys that you can use Google Bard to create these facts about health, and at the same time the prompt that you need to use when you want to create a video inside of Canva. So I keep guys, so now I finished. I made 2, 4, 6, 8 8 pages for this topic. So after you finish with that guys, you can download it by clicking the share and download it in separate pages. Okay, so I'm going to download all of this, but I'm gonna download this on the MP4. Alright, so download pages are separate. So I'm gonna click this one and I click download. Okay, so once you finish the download this one, I'm going to save it into my device. And since this is a zip files, I'm going to extract this one. Okay, let's extract this one. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do after you extract it and download it into your computer, we're going to use Capcut to edit all of those and put the voiceover inside of Capcut. Okay, so to do that, click the plus sign. Alright, so next after that, we're going to import, and we're going to import all of those videos that we created. So first, we're going to drag each of this one over here inside of Capcut, and we're going to put the voiceover inside of Capcut. I just need 60 seconds, but if you over than 60 seconds, well, you can just delete one of this page. So when we put the voiceover, this might increase into how many seconds, we never know until we put the voiceover for each of this video. Okay, so to do the voiceover here, we're going to start with this first page, this one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to click text and click the plus sign. Okay, so here we're going to put the text. So we're going back to Google Bard, and we're going to copy the first one, the weight loss. Okay, weight loss. So we're gonna copy this one. We're going back to Capcut, and we're going to paste here inside of this box. All right. Now we're going to create a voiceover. To do that, over here on your top right, you click the text to speech. Okay, so here are the presenter. You can listen to their voice if you want to. So just play around with guys and see who you want to, talk about.
Weight loss. 1. Small shifts matter.
So I'm gonna choose charming female. Start reading, so you'll see it's applying to the text for the voiceover. So let's listen to her.
1. Small shifts matter. Consuming just 100 fewer calories per day can lead to a 10-pound weight loss over a year.
So I'm gonna use this one, but I think I need to, to get one more of this so I can fit into this. So what we're gonna do is you can just double click this one, copy, and just put it here and paste it so it will fit into your script. All right, so after that, I'm going to put some transition here, guys. So it's all up to you. You can choose the transition that you want. There's so many transition here. So you can always play around with this, guys, these transitions, so you can add transitions into your videos. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. There you go. So here is the transition for this.
Weight loss over a year.
Alright, so next what we're gonna do, the same thing, guys. Click the text here, the next this one, the next page. Click the text, add, and here we're going to copy again the text for this. Okay, so let's go back to board. Okay, copy again, go back to Capcut, and I'm going to paste the script here. Okay, so I'm gonna use the same
Find activities you enjoy. Sustainability is key. So
okay, so I'm gonna use the same person. So there you go. So as you see, guys, it's too long, so I'm gonna copy this one again and paste here. There you go. So you can just move this one here to fit until the script is finished. Alright, so keep doing the same thing, guys. Go to board and then copy all of the script, go back to Capcut and paste into the text and put it here. So I'm gonna keep doing the same thing, guys, and I'll finish this one. I'll show you how it looks like. Alright, so once you finish with this, I can put a title on top of this. So maybe I can create a text here and I'll put text on top of this. So I'll just say facts for health and fitness. Let's put some colors on it, maybe. Here you go, guys. You can play around with this. Then you can also animate this one if you want to, this one. So here you can choose which animation that you want. So after this, guys, what we're gonna do is we're going to export this one. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. I hope it helps and you learn something from it. You can use any kinds of AI, but in this tutorial I use 3 AI tools, which is Canva, Google Board, and Capcut. So if you have any question, guys, just let me know down in the comments, and I will reply to you as soon as possible. And for all my new subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell too, so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. Thank you so much, guys, again, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.